Hey, what's up, everybody? I have wonderful, great news, and I'm surprised I'm even late on it. But it's better late than never, right? So yes, for Textnow wireless users, whether you're on iPhone or whether you're on Android, but I think this is for Android as of right now. They have updated their service to allow you to use your native dollar. Woohoo! Yes, way to go. Get them text now. Now we back in. Now we back on top. Anyways, how to use text now as your native dollar. All right. So one of the most requested features, which a lot of you all talk to me about, is Text Now is happy to announce that you can now opt into using your native dollar with Text Now. You will now be able to use your device's built-in dollar, the green phone icon, or the Text Now dollar, whichever you choose. Here's a quick rundown of how to turn it on, along with what changes you will see between using the native and Text Now dollars. Note that this applies to devices with Android Marshmallow 6.0 and above on the CDMA network. As we roll out this new feature over the course of the next week or so, which this is already passed out now, you should see this intentional pop-up on your Text Now device, which I have been seeing lately the last couple of days. I just ignored it. Tap accept to continue. You can also tap later to set this up later or learn more for the link to this article. Okay, so now it says change your default calling app. Make Text Now your default calling app for a better calling experience. All right, so you'll see that little picture and everything like that. Now, after tapping accept, you'll see this next screen asking you to tap OK to allow Text Now to use the native dollar. If you choose to set Text Now as your default later, you can get into the settings to your Text Now app under settings, calling, default calling app. All right. So then this next picture you will see, okay, it says change default calling app. Text Now will be used as the default calling app instead of contacts. All right. Keep that in mind. Once you select OK, you'll see that the default calling app is now set to use Text Now. So it'll show you calling app. Check this out on the Text Now application. Once you set the default to use Text Now, you will receive our best dollar and calling experience to date with a highly integrated dialing experience between VoIP and the cellular network. You can disable this feature from the default apps menu in your main Android settings app. All right. Once your native dollar experiment, once you're in the native dollar experiment, you're on a cellular phone call, you'll see the Text Now screen with the cellular connection at the top of your call. This means that Text Now is now able to give you the best dollar and calling integration to date again. So to show you all this example. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Is this good enough for you to switch to Text Now Wireless? As even I mentioned that they have the best T-Mobile plans to date. The best T-Mobile plans. And the best Sprint plans. I just have to admit it. The best T-Mobile Sprint plans are actually with Text Now Wireless. Name any other carrier that's topping the $39 plan. Name any other carrier that's topping the $9.99 plan. That's all I'm saying. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy, Two Phones. I'm out.